Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be just a simple chatty get ready with me. I'm getting ready to start my day to go out and do some important things. And my everyday makeup lately has been very minimal, but I did discover some amazing life-changing products and I'm happy to share them with you today. Right, let's get into it. Now the first product I'm going to be using is the Dior Global Age Defying Skincare Perfect Skin Creator. I love using it as my primer because it adds this beautiful glow to your skin and evens out the skin tone and makes your pores visibly smaller. And I have to mention that right before sitting down here, I washed my face so it's completely clean. I love applying it in the morning right after I wash my face. It gives this beautiful veil on your skin. Next, to add some brightening effect, I'm going to be using NYX Dark Circle Concealer. It has a pinkish, like peachy undertone. I've been using a lot of products in this range, but this one really stands out to me. First of all, I love the coverage that it gives, and of course the shade. The shade is just amazing. So if you're similar to my skin tone, go with the shade Light. The difference that it makes is literally instant. Next, I've been loving to do this lately. I'm using the Banana Setting Powder. I'm in the shade Medium, making sure I place some product on the cap and then carefully open it. And then I take this flat stippling brush. This is from Up and Up, Target brand. And I love using it just because it gives me the desired coverage. It doesn't consume a lot of product because of, small bristles, not very long. So I just took it here. And I'm gonna be placing it in the central part of my face using stippling motions. And as you can see, it pretty much evened my skin tone, took away the unnecessary shine. However, I did notice the difference that if you don't prime your face, it doesn't give you this effect. In this case, my Dior Skin Perfector served as this glue that allowed it to stick to my skin. Next is eyebrows, and lately I've been absolutely loving the Moira Beauty eyebrow pencil. It does have a pen, has a thicker tip, which I absolutely love. It makes filling out your eyebrows super easy. It also does have a powder to fill in your eyebrows, and the tip is pretty fine, so it's very convenient. It has a spoolie as well, so I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows upwards, kind of like helping them to fall in the desired shape. And then I'm taking the retractable side and I'm just filling in the gaps that I feel like are not full enough. I used to fill in the front of my, the front more, but now I kind of more so skip it. For my eyes, I've been loving to use this Sephora portable palette. It has a pretty big, pretty convenient mirror, and then it has 2 lip glosses, blush, and a number of eyeshadows. I chose this particular one because it's the most universal, I find, and I love to just throw it in my purse. It's very convenient, very sleek. I'm gonna be taking my favorite Tom Ford blending brush number 13, and I'm gonna be mixing these two colors together, more like a goldish brown and a little bit of a cooler brown. Tap off the excess, and I'm gonna place it in my crease, just to add a little bit of depth to our eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking my favorite brush for my under eyes. This is the Royal & Nicole Smoky Eye brush. It has somewhat of a thicker base and a domed down top. And here I'm going to be mixing this color right here, more goldish brown, and just a little bit of the blush color. I love the effect that it gives, especially if you have light eyes like green, blue, gray. I love how it emphasizes all the way on my lower lash line as this beautiful smoky effect, and kind of makes your eyes look bigger. Next, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Angle Blush Brush. This is the most beautiful blush shade, you guys. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. You can see. And just apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And of course, highlighter. For my everyday, I've been loving Becca's Opal. Not too much, just somewhat of a natural glow. I'm gonna apply a little bit in my inner corners as well. For my waterline, I love applying NYX eyeliner in pure white. Always gives this kind of like fresh look. I love it. Also, it's probably like the softest white liner and it lasts in your eyes so long. It's funny because when I do my makeup like on a daily, I just do it super quick, but sitting here and talking about it makes it somewhat of like a continuous process, but super easy. For my mascara, I'm going to be using Superhero mascara from IT Cosmetics. And lately I've been loving applying just on the upper lashes. And finally, all that is left is the lips. And okay, so here's the greatest life hack for you guys. If you've never tried lip primers, you definitely should, because it is truly like a game changer, especially if you're obsessed with makeup, if you love to wear lip makeup to make your lips stand out. Forget about overlining your lips and like forget about all of this. This will truly like show you a whole new level of lip makeup. This is the Guerlain lip primer. It does look almost like a concealer in the tube, but it's not. I'm just obsessed with packaging, you guys. It's so chic. First of all, make sure your lips are completely exfoliated, hydrated, but without any kind of lip balm residue, or like so it doesn't let the product like slide around. So it smells so good. As you can see, it ever so slightly kind of dulls down your natural lip color, but it's not going to affect the product you're going to be putting on top. Now I'm going to let it sit for a second or two. My current go-to lip color is the YSL's lipstick in 10. This is like my dream combo, these two products. And not just this lipstick, like any lipstick you put on top just glides on, especially if you're a fan of liquid lipsticks that are like notorious for drying out your lips. You have to try this out. Oh, you're gonna love it. Alright you guys, and that is my final look. It's very simple, nothing too much, no bright colors, nothing like that, but I love it because it makes me feel polished. This makeup lasts me pretty much all throughout the day. So all the products that I mentioned, I truly love. I'm gonna be linking them down below if you want to test them out. Check out my social accounts. Links are always down below, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.